dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome.
All right, welcome back. All right, stretch. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good. So, that last break session, I think I got all of my social media stuff for the radio show done, the post radio stuff. I think, aside from some like retweets. So, I have some like, what do you call them? Instagram stories being uploaded right now. And yeah, so that's good. So, I don't have to worry about that. I can actually work on my side projects. But speaking of side projects, I do a lot of them, right? And this actual website being one of them. And I've been using a certain like framework, right? And I think I'm gonna do this by tabs. We'll see. That might get messy. Whatever, we'll see. All right. So anybody that knows me knows I've been using Astro for a minute, and their website is astro.build, right? And so I like to build, and so that's a pretty cool URL. So I'm going to save a link to the website, so the recording of the video, you can check it out for yourself. But so it's a web framework for content-driven websites, right? So Astro powers the world's fastest websites, client-side web apps, dynamic API endpoints, and everything in between. Cool. And what I like a lot about them is that you can use, let me see here. Yeah, so it's designed for your favorite UI library. So with it, you can use React, Vue, Preact. I think it's Preact, right? Svelte, Lit. I'm a big fan of Lit. Look like Tailwind, Solid, and Alpine. I think I'm assuming that's Alpine. So that's one of the main reasons why I like it, right? And so I've used it to build a bunch of different sites. So for example, this is like my travel site. Oh, wait, I forgot. I got to switch to this tab. See, I knew that was going to be an issue. So this is my travel site that I made. It's coming out super bright, whatever. So, like, for example, I was in California recently for Developer Week. And so, yeah, sure. Oh, I added this thing so I can continue wherever I left off because I post a lot of pictures, right? But let's just say no. And so this is, my view from the airplane. This is me leaving the airport, going to the hotel. The actual hotel is the 360 photos that I'm a big fan of, taking 360 photos and videos. But yeah, so this actual site, if you check out the about, is created with Astro, right? Also, I have this other site. Since I travel a lot, I created a currency converter, because sometimes, like, when I see too many zeros, my brain kind of shuts down and it's like never buy anything. And until I can actually convert it into my own money, and I'm like, oh, okay, that's not too bad, right? And so I created this site to kind of be able to convert. So let's say, I don't know. So let's say it's like 1,000. I think the Singaporean dollar was close. I don't remember, but like I convert it, and then you see, so you have like $750, right? And then you can like actually link to them if you wanted to do a quick one or whatever, right? And you can save it to history. All right, great. All that's well and cool. But then if you check out the about page, again, I use Astro for it. Very nice, very cool stuff. I also, so when I'm traveling to these places and spending money, a lot of times it is to do like different workshops. And so my workshops, I try to keep as interactive as possible. And so I use Astro. So here are some of the different workshops I've done. And again, I use Astro to kind of build it, right? So a lot of times my go-to stack or whatever is using Astro as a base. And then if there are any type of like interactive things, I'll use like Svelte to build out the components for it, right? And then host it wherever. I've hosted a bunch of stuff Trying to think. Yeah, because the currency one is a Dino project, and a bunch of them I post to like Firebase. I've been playing with some other ones, but uh, but at the base is basically Astro for my current projects, right? And so I'm pretty sure a while ago we spoke about this Astro Studio. And let me post a link to this one. This is studio.astro.build. All right. And so there's a countdown timer. I'm pretty sure I signed up last year, I think it was when I first talked about this. And I signed up again just in case because there's a countdown timer now. And you can see there's like 2 days left. All right. And so I kind of want to go over it again. So if you want to check it out, sign up. Or by the time, I'm not sure when people are going to watch this because it's the 10th of March right now. So I guess on the 12th, they're looking to launch. And so yeah, so if you're checking this after March 12th, it's probably already good to go. And I want to kind of check it out because initially wasn't sure what it was, but I think now we have an idea. So Astro is launching its first hosted service in 2024 this year. Cool. So, it's not a web hosting company. All right. It's not a CMS, so not like a headless CMS situation or anything. It's something entirely new for the web ecosystem, and it will be available exclusively for Astro. Interesting. We're calling it Astro Studio. Nice. So they're saying Astro Studio is a globally distributed edge data platform built for Astro. Okay. So I'm wondering. So I was thinking, like, is it some sort of key value storage thing? Like, what is it? You know what I'm saying? Because it says not CMS, it's not a hosting thing. So if you're not hosting your projects, and if it's not like a CMS thing, then what would it be, right? So I don't know. Connect any new or existing Astro project to a dedicated hosted database in seconds. So yeah, so it looks like it's going to be like a database situation. So a service for your database. So it's fast, everywhere, secure, and unbelievably easy to use. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. And then it says Astro Studio comes with a generous free tier. This is our first paid product, and we want it to be accessible to everyone who uses Astro. We take this commitment to our users seriously. Good to know. And here, Astro will be completely opt-in. So I wonder if you spin up an Astro thing, if it'll say, hey, do you want to use, I guess, our database? That'd be interesting. So I wonder if it's set up for you through the CLI. That'd be they have a really good CLI tool, which I appreciate. But yeah, so I wonder if it'll be through that. That'd be kind of cool. Astro will continue to be a great web framework, regardless of whether you choose Astro Studio or not. So I'm kind of interested in why they decided to go with like a database solution, like service. I mean, you could do hosting. You could do hosting easily. I don't know about easily, but you could do hosting. But then I guess you'd have to worry about like spinning up servers and all these things. So again, I don't know about like any infrastructure stuff. So I can only imagine what goes into that. Because sometimes I talk to our infrastructure team, and I just kind of like a glaze goes over my head. I'm like, cool. So I can only imagine. And so if this sounds exciting, join our wait list, which I'm pretty sure I already did last year, but I did it again just in case. We'll be accepting people into our private beta later this year, which I guess was 2023, with a planned public launch in early 2024, which is apparently in like 2 days. So we started Astro because we wanted more out of modern web development. This new launch represents Astro's next chapter in our quest to push the web forward through simplicity. I cannot wait for you to join us. So pretty dope. Now, like I mentioned, saw a little bit more information. So on Astro's Twitter feed, which I'm going to post a link to their Twitter account. So here, so Fred K. Schott, Astro co-creator, it says, right? So just wrapped a surprise stream with the Primagen, showing off AstroDB publicly for the first time. So it is a database. And so built a collaborative, quote unquote, real-time canvas. Wow, this is having a hard time playing the video. I don't know, whatever. And then hit it with 5K concurrent requests from chat. The DB scaled up immediately, handled 1 million plus requests over the course of the stream. Let's see. Let me see here. Okay, and then scaled back down once the surge was over. That's pretty dope. So at least you know it can handle a lot. The entire thing would have cost you 0.009 cents. Wow. That's pretty dope. And well within our free usage tier. So that means you can have something with 5,000 concurrent requests and handle, but then it could handle up to, I wonder how long over the course of this stream. So I wonder how long the stream was. They did 1 million plus requests. So if it's 5K concurrent requests, it happened at like one time, but then 1 million over the course of, I wonder how long the streams are. Sometimes these, I don't know where they stream to, but sometimes I see like Twitch and YouTube streams that's like all day. I don't know how people do that. That's amazing. So, but yeah. Then if anyone grabbed the video of the canvas during the stream, please share. So I guess this is an example of the canvas here. I only have this from afterwards with a few people left still hacking at it for memes, for the memes. Okay. So I guess this is like one of those pixel, I've seen these before. Like it's like you draw a pixel at a time, and then a bunch of people can like collaborate and draw images and stuff. So I guess that was what's happening here. Cool. Yeah. So pretty exciting. I'm looking forward to the next couple of days. I'm actually working on a new actually like 2 side projects, and I'm not sure. I have to see what this database thing looks like, because I mean, it could be useful. I'm not sure. So, like, I could use it, I guess, in some projects coming up. I have to see what comes with it. You know what I mean? But I'm looking forward to it. So I'm glad to see Astro has something that they can make money from. You know what I mean? Because sometimes I get worried. Like, this is a super cool tool, and it's awesome, but like, how are they making money? Like, I don't mind spending money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been doing a lot of cloud IDE stuff, and I sign up and I pay for them. You know what I'm saying? Like, a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? Just to help hopefully keep these things going. You know what I'm saying? Because I understand, hey, especially in my line of work, you know what I mean? Like, you want to get paid. And so if I can, so I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, wait, an Astro 4.4 just arrived. So I'm probably gonna, today I'm looking to upgrade my current project I'm working now. I'm almost done. I want to get that upgraded to the latest Astro to make sure other people use it. They're on the latest as well. But yeah, shout out to Astro. And I'm gonna send you all off with some traveling music. So are you gonna try the Astro DB when it drops? You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you have any ideas or any projects that you think it'll fit into. But till then, I'm gonna get y'all back to work. When we come back for the final break session of the first cipher, we'll take a look at an artist's website, maybe listen to some music, watch some videos, maybe you'll become a fan. All right, so till then, I wish you much productivity, and see you around. This track here, the traveling music, is Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. The track's called Thank You. All right, thanks again for hanging out. Y'all be easy, peace, and yeah, see you 15 minutes after the hour. All right.
I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I want to say thank you for being there when a brother had nowhere to turn to. You were there, and I feel like hell, and everybody says hell. We spread love like hell. I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I want to say thank you for being there when a brother had nowhere to turn to.